megahertz. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, serving listeners across much of central Minnesota. The current time is 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. Now the forecast for central Minnesota from St. Cloud to the northwest Twin Cities suburbs. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Isolated rain showers early in the evening. Patchy fog overnight. Areas of fog late in the night. Lows in the mid-30s. North winds up to 10 miles an hour. Chance of showers 20%. Friday, mostly sunny.
This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Wisconsin and Minnesota as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. This is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security and with Wisconsin Emergency Management, is issuing a test tornado warning for all Minnesota and Wisconsin. It will be in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week.
The states of Minnesota and Wisconsin are